Hello and welcome, my friend, and how are you doing? And next I am planning to show you that how to do this car or trucks gasoline what last years in this store. And now I am meaning that when we have some car where we install gasoline and petrol, and today's we have situation that if we install gasoline, this gasoline goes bad within 1 year, because this new gasoline, like in here what I have in this my canister, this lasts only like 4 to 6 months in store, and then when if I missed to use this my gasoline, this is totally waste, because there is small particles and items inside this my canister, and this today's gasoline, this lifespan is really small. And next we can look this my gasoline that what it looks like. Okay, and here is my small cup, and soon I will add in here this today's gasoline what we can purchase in USA, what is made by 7 or Exxon, and also Shell. And let's look at what it looks like firstly, because this is in what it looks like. And now we can see that this is current today's high quality gasoline. And now when we look in their inner area, there is no any particles. But then if I store this my gasoline like in that kind of canisters, like 1 year, or then I leave that gasoline inside my truck's tank or car's tank, that I don't drive my car, soon there is small particles. And let's look that what I mean, that what are those particles. And let's look soon. Okay, and then when I wait something like 1 year, we can see that I have that kind of small particles inside this my gasoline. And now this my gasoline is totally waste. And where these particles and stuff came from inside this my cup and also in this my canister, where they come from? They don't drop in like air to in here. They all of these particles, they are generated by itself by self, because this my gasoline, it is so short lasting that if I let this my gasoline in canister like 1 year, it is totally useless and I can't use, because if I use so scrappy and full of particles this gasoline, then this my fuel injection system is stuck, and also carburetor is stuck, and my engine is dead. And that's what I have to do if I like to store and keep my fuel tank full of this gasoline, and then I don't have this worry that my gasoline becomes bad what is full of these particles. Okay, you might know that this thing is the solution, and we can purchase this fuel stabilizer liquid in USA from internet, or then if we visit in these auto store spare part centers. But this is excellent. There is Japanese flag, iPhone, and that one is made in Europe, in France. Look, there is a maker is France, and France, they produce good liquids like wines and champagne And that's, I believe that this fuel stabilizer is also good for my gasoline. And next I will show that how much I need that liquid in my car's fuel tank, and then we can go to look when I add this stabilizer in my car's fuel tank. Okay, let's look. Okay, and before of that car fuel tank adding or truck adding, I will show that how I can make this my reserve fuel canister to last years. And there is idea that first I need this 1 gallon plastic fuel canister in here. There is this my canister, and then when there is this amount like 5 liters in here, 5 liters is this amount, I have to take this my fuel stabilizer liquid, and then remember also that do this work in outside, because there is now risk that this is poison and this liquid can generate cancer, and that it is good to work in outside. And then also be careful that you don't drop that liquid in hands, and that's it is good to take always hands and these gloves. And then if any of this liquid drops in this my gloves, I have to throw these gloves in away. But now I will show that now I am doing like a mixture. I have in here 5 liter gasoline, what I have to make to last, to make a liquid mixture that this my gasoline lasts in good condition like 2 years or more. And that's I need to purchase this iPhone or similar fuel stabilizer liquid, and there is even text that pre-reserves fuel for 2 years. Quick and easy start. And this is important. And now when I make this mixture, there is this upper cap and there is small scale. Look, 1 liter, 5 liters, 10 liters, 15 and 20 liters. And first I open this my cap hat in that way. Good. And then when I am doing this 5 liter mixture like spare and reserve tank in my truck, I have to little bit press that bottle in that way, and then inside there is small this tube, and this liquid comes in like up. Let's look. And I have to do that only in this line. There is 5 liters this line in here. And now I press that, look in there inner. Okay, a liquid comes little bit more. Okay, and now there is 1 liter. I need to add more. Okay, and now there is 5 liters sign in here. Good. And now mixture is ready, and then I will add these liquids inside the fuel canister. And now this canister, it can be full of gasoline or empty, but idea is that I have to now only drain in these liquids in here. Look, it is so small amount. And then next step is that I have to add in here my gasoline, and I will do that next. Okay, and there is this my canister. Then I take this my funnel, and next I will add in here my gasoline. Okay, and there is my more gasoline, and this is, and then I fill that my canister full. Okay, now I little bit stop that my job, and then when this canister is full, this my gasoline for this 98 or 95 or 92 this octane. It is ready for this warehouse and in store, and I can be sure that this my gasoline will last in good condition at least 2 years or more. And then we go to add this my liquid in my car tank, and let's go to look that next. Okay, and then when I am planning to add this my liquid in my car's fuel tank, there is situation that there is now 20 liters of this gasoline in my car's tank, and I have to add in this full amount, and 20 liters is about 5 gallons. And first I open this by cap hat, and then I only press that in this way, please carefully, and I have to do this line in this amount in here, look. And be carefully, because this liquid is harmful. Okay, and now we can see that there is just this 20 liters line is in here, and then we can go to drying in these liquids in my car's fuel tank, and let's go to do that next. Okay, and there is then this my car's fuel tank cover, and next I open that. Okay, good. And then I open my cap. Good. And in here I add this liquid. Okay, and there is this area, and there is this my liquid, and soon I will add this in here. Okay, and then I will dry in this liquid that way. Good. And now we can see that there is this my liquid, and next I will add in here more gasoline, this 20 liters, and then this my liquid mixture is ready. Good. And then thumbs up, my friend, if you think that this is useful.